Good morning, candidates. This is regarding Wealth Management Services Department recruitment in Bank of Baroda. Yeah, online registration of application form 9th April. Last date is 29th April. Yeah. Now, candidates are advised to check the bank's website bankofbaroda.co.in, careers.htm, current opportunities regularly for details. All correspondence will be made by email ID only. The process of registration of application is complete only when the application is submitted in full and fee is deposited with the bank through online mode. इसमें ये बोलता है application process submission complete कब होगा? ये पूरा application देना हुआ है, submit भी करना पड़ेगा, इसका अलावा पेमेंट ऑफ फीस भी होना चाहिए। और इसमें और भी दिया है, अप्लाई करने का बाद में आप इंश्योर कर दीजिए आप एलिजिबल और नहीं है। यहाँ पर दिया है ए तो पोस्ट इज ऑन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, दीज पोस्ट आर ऑन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट। एक कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में होगा 5 साल के लिए, टू बी रिव्यूड आफ्टर अ पीरियड ऑफ 1 ईयर और 2 ईयर्स। इधर पहले दिया है सीनियर रिलेशनशिप मैनेजर के लिए 407 वैकेंसीज, then wealth relationship manager 50 vacancies, then territory head 44 vacancies। इसका अलावा ग्रुप हेड 6 vacancies, प्रोडक्ट हेड 1 vacancy, then head operations and technology 1 vacancy, digital sales manager 1, IT functional analyst 1. This is what they have given. The interesting aspect is for people between 24 years and 35 years, 407 vacancies, that is senior relationship manager। इसमें दिया है as on 1st April 2021, you must hold a degree, graduation in any discipline. It can be arts, science, commerce, or engineering, or medicine, anything from a university recognized by the government of India and government bodies and AICTE। इसमें desirable qualification क्या दिया है? They want you to possess this 2 years full-time postgraduate degree or diploma in management, that is 2 year MBA होने से बढ़िया है। और रेगुलेटरी सर्टिफिकेशंस लाइक NISM IRDA, ये पढ़ने से थोड़ा अच्छा होता है। यहाँ पर वर्क एक्सपीरियंस कितना चाहिए? एज ऑन 1st April 2021 आपको मिनिमम 3 years एक्सपीरियंस होना चाहिए एज रिलेशनशिप मैनेजर in wealth management in public sector banks or private banks or foreign banks, or it can be broking firms, security firms, or asset management companies also. Proficiency or knowledge in local language or area or market or clients is desirable। इसमें क्या दिया है? सीनियर रिलेशनशिप मैनेजर के लिए आपको 407 वैकेंसीज है। दिस इज व्हाट इज ऑफ इंटरेस्ट, and in this the say 61 vacancies are scheduled caste, scheduled tribe 30, OBC 110, EWS 41, unreserved 165 vacancies, out of which persons with visual impediment 4, then orthopedically handicapped 4, and HI 4, ID 4. This is, of course, not everybody can apply. Only those who have got experience can apply. And remember, this job is on contract basis. Most important thing they have given is candidates applying for the position shall maintain a healthy credit history and shall have a minimum CIBIL score of 650 or above at the time of joining. So the point here is हम ये point बोलना चाहते हैं जो बच्चे लोग से एजुकेशन लोन एनपीए करा दिया बाद में एडजस्ट किया बाद में क्या सेटलमेंट किया वो लोग एलिजिबल नहीं होगा. Please don't apply and get disappointed. And regarding senior relationship manager vacancies दिया हुआ है अहमदाबाद में 30, विशाखापट्टनम में 1, चेन्नई में 15, मुंबई में 89 ऐसा वैकेंसीज दिया है. So you can specify the place and apply. उधर का लोकल लैंग्वेज मालूम होने से बढ़िया होता है. Similarly, territory head also, अहमदाबाद में 3, विशाखापट्टनम में 1, मुंबई में 7 ऐसा वैकेंसीज दिया है. You have to specify that area also. Then, for people who are applying for this post, mainly senior relationship manager and territory head, for territory head, 6 years experience in relationship management or in wealth management. Relationship management in wealth management. I think for this there are a lot of student candidates working in private banks like ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, HDFC Bank, then what else? IndusInd Bank, where they have this type of post, wealth management post, and if they have experience, they can do good job. And if they have also passed MBA and also that IRDA degree and all that, I mean diploma, that will be better. And only these people will have to apply. And इसमें दिया है what are the duties of इधर important point दिया है remuneration आपको it depends on the last drawn salary. आपको लास्ट ड्रॉन सैलरी का ऊपर में होगा तब तो प्राइवेट बैंक में जो काम करता है उनको ठीक नहीं होगा. प्राइवेट बैंक में वो लोग क्या करता है 25,000 रुपया 30,000 रुपया तलब दे के आपसे ज़्यादा काम लेते हैं. आप उधर जाने से आपको स्केल 1 का सैलरी दे सकते हैं, उसको कम तो नहीं देगा. और हो सकता है उसमें भी वो बार्गेन करेगा. आपको 35 सैलरी लेते तो वो बोलेगा हम 50,000 देगा बस और 45,000 देगा, ऐसा भी बोल सकता है. और इसमें दिया है that you have performance linked variable pay is also there for that scale number 1, post number 1 and 4. It is 5 years. Selection कैसे होगा? It will be, they will shortlist candidates and then conduct interview and group discussion and interview. So it is similar to the experience we had in the case of SBI CBO, where initially we thought number of applications will be less. We will have only interview. So I was guiding the candidates lot for about 2-3 months. Suddenly they introduced a test also. But here it may not happen because this is purely contractual post and many people may not be interested. So you may have less competition. You may have only group discussion and interview. But most important thing is your experience in the present organization for 3 years or 6 years. That is what is more important. Another point they have told is qualifying marks shall be 60% of the marks for SC/ST, for general candidates, and for SC/ST 55% marks. I don't know whether they are mentioning about the degree or the marks in the interview they are going to select. Maybe I think it refers to the group discussion and interview. There is age relaxation for scheduled caste, OBC, persons with disability. That also you can see. Guidelines for applications they have given. Please see regarding payment of fees for general candidates and OBC candidates 600 rupees. For SC, ST candidates and women candidates only 100 rupees plus GST hoga. You have to make payment online only. Yeah, and next point is you should go through Annexure 1. Annexure 1 may they have given what are the roles and responsibilities of the senior relationship manager. Will be responsible for revenues, that is you have to get lot of revenues, income. Just as in the case of LIC, they used to tell that ADOs should get a premium of 24 lakhs in 1 year. Likewise, they may prescribe. All banking queries will be passed on to customer service executive. Review customer wealth needs and proactively engage with the customer to validate the understanding. Review product penetration. Ensure coverage of all relationship. All loans and cross sell referrals will be passed on to the respective units. Organize customer events. Acquire new customers. Ensure KYC AML. Complete mandatory certifications within 90 days of joining the role. Continuously keep self-updated of changes in products, processes and compliances. Provide complete and comprehensive information on products, services, charges. Candidate should have adequate experience in building and managing relationship with high net worth clients. Clients having a total relationship value 30 lakhs. So you will have contact only with clients having 30 lakhs and above. So उन लोग से अब अच्छा से रिलेशनशिप करके आप काम करना पड़ेगा. And territory head also here it is given, but there is not more number of vacancies. Just go through that. This also will do. Now the point lies in you must go through the advertisement once, twice, thrice. Ensure you are eligible. Then decide to apply. Those who are working in say public sector banks, I think they have to give NOC. They have to produce NOC. Somewhere I saw that NOC is required for people working in public sector banks. Yeah, candidates serving in government or quasi-government offices, public sector undertakings, including nationalized banks and financial institutions are advised to submit NOC. That means even if you are working in Axis Bank, ICICI Bank, then HDFC Bank, private bank, it is a financial institution. So you need to produce NOC. You may be working in asset management companies. You may be working in NBFCs. Then you have to produce NOC. Yeah. So that is what the requirement they have told. Please take care of that. Then regarding how it is to be filled in and all, you are all well equipped. Go through the instructions. And regarding format of SC/ST certificate, OBC certificates are also given. It is more or less similar to IBPS format. Then EWS also they have given 5 acres of agricultural land and a residential flat of 1000 square feet. Residential plot of 100 square yards like that. You please ensure that you are eligible. If you are eligible under EWS, if you have EWS certificate, apply. Otherwise, apply under general. Then you are subject to medical examination also. And there also you must qualify yourself. Disability certificate also they have given. Yeah. So these are the conditions relating to this Bank of Baroda Wealth Relationship Manager. My important points about this is this is more suitable for candidates working in, say, private sector banks or public sector banks as wealth relationship manager. You can ask for an increase in salary, say 20, 25%, 30% salary increase. You can ask, and only if they give you, join. Otherwise, why should you join for a post which is temporary or which is contractual? So this is what I would like. I may not recommend opting for this unless you don't have a job, proper job. Or if you want to jump over from a private sector bank where you are drawing 28,000 rupees salary, jump asking definitely minimum 60, 70,000 you ask. Then you go and join. If they are willing, let them give. Otherwise, don't join. Thank you. Best wishes. And if some of you, after applying, you feel like having a mock interview, you can write to my email ID and inform me. After remitting 100 rupees to Google Pay number 90030375557. These numbers are available in all my videos. Please take care of that. And some people have been asking for a video on this, so I prepared this and posted it. Most important thing in this is you must be confident. You must have satisfactory performance in the present assignment. Number two, you must be able to communicate well in GD and interview. Number three, you must know about your bank products, how you are conversing and all that. Number four, you must be able to have good relationship with high net worth clients. And if you are having that, then it is a suitable job for you. If you want a mock interview, please do as I told you. Best wishes. Thank you.